Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. Hello, sir. Tell us about your love affair with malunggay. Saan ho nagsimula yung passion nyo for malunggay?
With Lauren Legarda.
Okay. The passion for Lauren Legarda or for malunggay?
For malunggay.
Okay.
In mid 2008, I read si Lauren Legarda na pinapropagate o pinapromote ng malunggay. Before that, uminom na rin ako ng malunggay tea. Pinapakuloan ko yung green leaves and then I drink it, no? Lalagay ko sa refrigerator, pag ready ko na kainin, lagyan ko ng kalamansi, lagyan ko ng honey. So I have an iced tea, no? So, yun nga, lumabas na amaze ako. Talagang, it's really God-given yung, yung nutrients at saka, you can just imagine na there are 46, antioxidants and 90 nutrients ang malunggay.
Malunggay or Moringa oleifera is a popular plant known for nutritional value as well as herbal medicine. It's a plant that grows in the tropical climate such as the Philippines and is widely used as vegetable ingredients in cooking, as herbal medicine for a number of illnesses, and many other practical uses.
Sabi nga ng isang taga-DTI na nameet ko sa San Francisco, you cannot just do it alone. You have to be in a group to do that. No? So, ginawa ko, nag-join ako ng isang merong Moringaling Foundation. Okay. No? And then automatic when I told them about my idea, binili nila. So sabi niya, let's work on it. It's a good idea. No? Magandang future dito sa malunggay because we're not only helping yung mga gagamit but also the farmers.
Exactly.
Because yung mga farmers, siyempre, pag tinanim mo yan, in a few months, may dahon na yan. And then you started harvesting, and then we started buying from them, and then we process it, and
Here it is, no?
Here it is, no?
Okay, sir, itong malunggay, where is this sourced?
Ang nakikita nyo ngayon is freshly harvest doon sa farm namin sa Morong.
So ito, galing to mismo sa mga farms, pinutol, ito na ho yun kaagad.
Opo, yan.
Okay. Tapos, sinuhugasan po siya.
Sinuhugasan ito, no? Itong process namin na may konting chlorinated, no? Para mawala yung mga residue do. These are organic, no? Ito naman yung dryer namin.
I see. So, hindi na ho binibilad, no?
Hindi na binibilad, no?
Pagka-dry na ho niyan, it will be pulverized, no?
Apo.
Okay. And that will eventually become our
Raw material.
raw materials. Okay. And the way ho that you develop your products is meron ho po yung mga partners who actually also manufacture the other products. So, you provide the malunggay powder to them.
Yes, ang mga marami kong produkto. Siguro nagugulat ka, ang dami, no? If I have to buy all those equipment, doon lamang wala na akong kapital.
Opo, yes.
So what I did was to talk to manufacturer na famous sila. Let's say, for example, the shingling. I went all the way to the province and looked for the best shingling manufacturer, and I talked to them, do this for me, and we will just add the malunggay. No? Pwera yung MSG, pwera yung mga ibang preservatives.
So, ito, this is already pag
These are the finished products.
finished product na po siya. This will go to which companies? What type of companies?
Iba-iba, yung bakeries, ganyan, yung pinagpapagawa namin ng cookies, no, pinagpapagawa namin ng snacks. Kami, control namin ang malunggay. We just wanna make sure na amin yung malunggay malinis at sigurado dahil kung hindi sa amin, hindi kami sigurado kung puro o hindi yun eh. Ang number one seller ko is the malunggay instant tea because kami lang meron yan. Sa mga snacks, the shingling and the corn snack. Yan ang mga sellers talaga. Isa sa advocacy ko is dapat bawat lamesa merong malunggay. Parang asin, paminta.
Sir, meron ba tayong advice para sa mga nanonood na gustong pumasok sa ganitong negosyo or gustong pumasok sa negosyo in general?
Ang mga advice ko lamang is pag nag-isip ka ng isang negosyo, put your heart into it. No? Huwag yung pabago-bago, isipin nyo kagad yung kikitain. Kailangan talaga ilagay mo sa puso mo yung produktong ilalabas mo at maniwala ka. No? And then, things will
Follow. At sa puso ho ninyo, may malunggay doon.
Malunggay.
Si Sir Pete ay pro-health and wellness advocate. Nakita niya ang potential ng malunggay kaya't pinag-aralan at pinoseso niya ito para maging beneficial products. A good raw material backed up with research and creativity. Yan naman ang sikreto ng MLGS Herbal Products.